Hello student. This is one interesting video I am uploading for your information, your kind information. This is very easy method that tables, how to write the tables up to from 11 to 99. If you know the tables 2 to 10, 2 to 10, if you behaved perfectly, then you can write 11 to 99. Any tables you can write without without by hurting. You can write the tables from 11 to 99. Easily, very easy method I am telling. One tricks, that is we call as a tricks. Mathematics is based on only tricks. Nothing is that. Only if you know the tricks, then you can score. And one more thing I want to tell, that scoring is very easy. Mathematics is the subject only where you can score very easily, but passing is very difficult. You heard, it is correct what I am telling. What I want to tell, scoring is very easy, but passing is very difficult. Why passing is difficult and scoring is very easy? Because if you know the tricks, if you know the tricks, mathematics tricks, then you can score out of out. If you don't know the tricks, then it is very difficult to pass the subject. That's why I'm telling, everywhere I am telling that to every each and every student I am telling that passing is very difficult, but scoring is very easy. If you know the tricks, you can easily score out of out. But passing is very difficult if you don't know. If you don't know the tricks. Now, I will start with this subject. How to write the tables. How to write the tables. If you know the perfect tables up to 10, 2 to 10, then you can easily write the tables 11 to 99. Any tables you can write. You can practice in your home, and you will come to know that how it is very easy. Very easy. Simple techniques I am telling. For example, I will start with the small numbers. Here 12. I am taking 12. I don't know that how to write the table number 12, but I will write. I know the I don't know the uh, 12 number table, but I will write. How means here simple techniques. Here what we'll do in tables, what we'll write, how 12 ones are 1, 12 twos, 12 twos are 12 threes are 12 fours are 12 fives are 12 six are 12 sevens are 12 eights are 12 nines are 12 tens are. Like this we will by head. Okay. Now how to write these tables without knowing that, without by heading the tables. Okay. Now see here. First, what are there in 12? Two digits are there. In 12, two digits are there. 1 and 2. You have to you have to split the numbers in two way. Means here how to split the numbers. 12 is there. You have to split it in two parts. This is a two parts. 12 is there. Two parts. 1 and 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? First you have to write this two tables. Table number 2, where the 12 is there. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. Two parts I have made, and I wrote the 12 number, table number 12. I split this number and I wrote first table number 2. If you split this table number 12, then what we'll get? Simple 2 and 1 table we will get. Then first we will write this table number 2, this one, where here little you have to give gap between the numbers. First table number 2 I will write. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, like this. And afterwards this table number 1, in a tens place table number 1 is there. I will write table number 1 here in front of this one, in this side. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Now next step. This is a first step. We have to write according to this one. And in second step, you have to merge it. Both you have to merge it. Means you have to merge. You have to write it near by near. How? This is a 1, 2 is there. You have to write here 12 as it is. 2, 4 is there. Write here 2, 24. 3, 6 is there. 36 it become. 4, 8 is there. It become 48. Now here 3 digits came. Okay. Now what I have to do? Here only 1 digit you have to take. This side, from right side, from your right hand, right side, this portion, this parts, you have to take only 1 digit. 0 is there, that right side, 0 you have to write here, insert. Now 1 and 5 remaining, this you have to add, both you have to add. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 become 6. Now it becomes 60. Now next, here what I told, right side only 1 digit you have to take. Which one it is? 2 is there, right here 2. Now you have 2 digit, this you have to add. 6 plus 1, it becomes 7. Now it becomes 72. As usual, here 4, last digit, whatever the number is there, last digit, that you have to take, and middle one you have to add. 7 plus 1, 8. It becomes 8. Now this is the last digit. 6 is there, write 6. And middle one you have to add. 8 plus 1, 9. It becomes 96. Now last digit 8 is there, right here 8. 9 plus 1, 10. Whatever number will come, that you have to add and you have to write. Now it become 108. Now we got 4 digit. What I told, simple thing, last digit whatever number will come, that you have to insert last digit, and middle one, now it become 3. You have to add these 3. 10 plus 2. Now we have to read as 10 and plus 2. Now you have to add these 3 numbers. 10 plus 2 means 12. It became 12. It become 120. Now see, check in our any this table book. Now you will understand how it is very easy, very simple. Simple tricks, simple method I told how to write the tables. Now we got table number 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sevens are 6 are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. We got the answer. Now as usual, I wrote here already. Once again, I'll repeat here. 15. I want to write the 15 table. Then what I'll do? I will split this number 1, 5. This 5 table, first I'll write this side, right side, 5 table. Then afterwards, this table, 1 number, this table I will write this side. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. Just a minute, I'll split this one. Okay, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now we got this 5 number over. Now next what remaining? 1, table number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As usual, I have to write. Now what I told, you have to merge it. Only two numbers you have to write. Now 1, 5 is there, write 1, 5. Now what last digit, whatever number we will get, we will write first this 0 here. We wrote 0. Then middle number we have to add 2 plus 1, 3. Now 5 is there, we will wrote 5. Add these numbers, 3 plus 1, 4. Now we got 45. Now 0 is there, 0 you have to write. And middle number 4 plus 2, 6. Right here. Last digit 5 is there, 5 you have to write. Middle number 5 plus 2, you have to add 5 plus 2, 7. Now here 0 is there, 0 you have to write. 6 plus 3, 9. We got 90. Now 5 is there, write 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 is there, write here 0. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 is here, write 5 as usual. 9 plus 4, add these numbers, it becomes 13. Now 0, 0 you have to write. 10 plus 5, these both number you have to add. 10 plus 5, it becomes 15. Now we got 15 table. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. We got table number 15. Now we will go to next one. Now we will take another one example here. 24. As usual, 24 we have to split 2 and 4. 24. 4 table we have to write here. Table number 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Table number 2 here, this side. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now we split it. Okay, what I told last, what 2 digit we have to write here. 24 is that, write 24. 48, 48. Now we got 3 digit. What I told, last digit you have to write as usual 2, and middle one you have to add. Now it becomes 72. As usual, we will get the tables. According to this, you got the tables. 24 table we got. 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, 24 fives are 120, 24 6 are 144, 24 sevens are 168, 24 eights are 192, 24 nines are 216, 24 tens are 240. We got the tables 24. If you want to more than that, If you want practice 36, if I took 36, what I told, split this. Okay, sorry, I'll write here 36. Table number 6 you have to write. Table number 3 here write. 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now table number 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, 30. Now you can write the table. You have to add 36. What I told, last number 2 is that 2 you have to write. Middle one you have to write, add this 7. Now here 8. 8 is there. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 is there. 4 you have to write. 12 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. 0 is here. 0. 15 plus 3, 18, 6, 18 plus 3, 21, 2 is here, 2, 21 plus 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 8, 24 plus 4, 28, 4 is there, 27 plus 5, 32, and here last one 0 is there, write 0, 30 plus 6, 36. We got the answer here. Okay, this is method to write the tables up to 99. If you want to write it up to 99, from 11 to 99, you can easily write the tables. This is the tricks you can apply, and you can write any number of tables. Very easy method. Next week I will upload another one tricks, your mathematics tricks, and how to multiply the 2-digit numbers in very easy method. Until that, take care, have a nice day. Thank you very much.